What is up, guys? And like always, welcome back to the channel. Now, since my other two trying different snack foods didn't really upload for you guys to watch and enjoy, so I will be making another video and hopefully that one updates. So, now what I'll be trying today is, what you can kind of see already, is chocolate pudding. I'm probably not gonna eat both of them though. Maybe I'm not sure. And then a Hershey's chocolate bar, because everyone loves chocolate, and then just 4 marshmallows. Now, should I go after the eating all the sugar? Probably. Now, I think what we'll do first is kind of dunk the marshmallows in the pudding. And see kind of how that is, and then yeah, so let's get rolling with the video. Sorry, I lick off extra pudding from the thing. Now, it's just regular chocolate pudding. Now, what I'm going to take is my marshmallow and my adorable pudding cup. And just, I'm going to dunk my marshmallow right in. Okay. That was pretty good. Kind of tastes like a s'more. You can kind of still see the pudding on the marshmallow. It kind of tastes like a s'more, actually. Tastes like a s'more. It really does. So because of the combo of the marshmallow and pudding, I would give it an 8. Very sweet, very sugary. Now, just the pudding taste now. Excuse my finger, okay? Okay, pretty good actually. It's chocolatey, so for that I rate it 8/10, because come on, put chocolate pudding. Now just for the marshmallow. Okay, so it's pretty good. I would probably rate it more like a 7, because it's very sweet and very sugary. So now we'll come back to this later. So I'll kind of just, set it off here for now. Well, at least so you guys can't see it. Now, I think what I'll do is I'll try the pudding and the chocolate bar together to see how it is too. So first we're gonna open the box. Here's what it looks like. Okay, it says Hershey's. Wasn't holding it upside down. Okay, it says Hershey's. So we're gonna break off a couple pieces. Now, I just broke off 3 pieces. So now first we're gonna try it with the pudding. How about? Okay, pudding. Here's your chocolate piece. Okay. It just kind of tastes like double chocolate, because it's chocolate pudding and milk chocolate. So, tastes like double chocolate knowledge. So now, so what I'd have to rate that one would be about probably like an 8. Okay. I love them both. I love chocolate pudding, and I also love Hershey's milk chocolate. Now, we will be trying just the Hershey's piece now. Will it taste just like the pudding and Hershey's, or will it taste different? Yeah, we're just gonna hold that out there. It tastes just like Hershey's milk chocolate. Don't need a lot of it. But now for this one, I'd rate it about just a 9. I love chocolate. Love Hershey's milk chocolate. Actually, I love anything milk chocolate. I also love dark chocolate. Okay, so even together what I just did, it's still very good. So I think then for rating it together, be about 9.5. It gets a little bit sweeter, but also kind of gets that same milk chocolate taste and pudding taste. So, you know, hopefully that is a good video for you guys to enjoy. Now we're gonna try Hershey's piece with marshmallow and pudding. Now we are going to go like this, and we're going to kind of put it like right here on the marshmallow. Push this in a bit. Okay, so it's in. Now should we see how it tastes? Okay, I kind of think it's gonna taste a little weird, but I also think it's gonna taste good. So let's try it. Oh my god. It tastes so good, guys. It's just you get that pudding flavor, that milk flavor, the marshmallow flavor. Oh my god, guys, it tastes so good. You wouldn't even know it. I mean, it may look good from when you guys are watching it. Oh, it's so good though. So, okay, I'll tell you what. I'm gonna finish with this marshmallow with pudding. And then, hopefully, you guys like and subscribe to my channel. And if you can, leave a comment down below, or leave a comment on my Instagram if I follow you already. So, let me know how you thought about this video, and what other kind of videos I should make. But you know, I hope you guys are staying safe. Hope you guys are staying safe during this quarantine and coronavirus thing. And Beijing, they just started the second round, so hopefully you guys they stay safe. But you know, but we will get through this together. But you know, just have fun. So thank you guys so much for watching, and like always, please make sure you like and subscribe down below, and hit that notification bell so you get notifications every time I upload a new video. Bye.